How to install Filmplus on Firestick. Now, Amazon Firestick is actually offering us a sharp picture quality, fast streaming, free and live TV, and then it has also a special feature which is going to be Alexa voice remote with TV controls. Now, Filmplus is not going to be included in the pack, you'll have to download it separately. You just simply open up or access Amazon App Store directly from your Fire Stick and then just simply search and look for Film Plus. Now, Film Plus is also available via Google Play Store, which means this is also available on Amazon App Store. Just simply hit on install on your Fire Stick and it will automatically be added to one of your apps on your Amazon Fire Stick. And that is how you install Film Plus on Fire Stick.